I've got 20.7 miles into Grant, and had to figure out something there for a couple days while I wait on my resupply boxes. Looking ahead, up past Cuba, lots of thick snow, deep snow. I've got to try to figure out what I'm gonna do. I guess I need somehow to buy an ice axe and some snowshoes so I can continue north. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is between Grant and Cuba, literally only doing like 10 miles a day, taking extremely easy, real lackadaisical, and try to burn up about 10 to 12 days out there. That might give me a little bit of a chance for getting things a little bit back to normal and only being 2 weeks ahead instead of just about a month. I am a little nervous about deep snow, but I'll figure it out. It's what we do, right? Not gonna be much today. It's just this road walk to Grant. Got to Grant on historical Route 66. Got my camera back. This is where I had it sent to. I've now lost enough weight and gotten good enough shape that I can carry my bigger, better camera. Just got done doing some laundry, getting things ready to set out for Mount Taylor. Pretty excited. Just getting ready to have this adventure continue on. Well, as you can see, back to night hiking. I know I'm missing a lot of views, but I'm also missing a lot of dehydration. Since I started walking at 1 o'clock in the morning, and now I've done over 15 miles today, and it's only like almost 10. Got about another 15 to my water source, my next reliable water source, And then there's only 15 miles from there to McDonald's. And I know a lot of y'all are probably health conscious and McDonald's is so horrible and you've been eating so well, and it doesn't matter what I eat right now. I am losing weight. It is falling off of me. As of right now, I'm just under 30 miles from that. So I don't know. I may end up doing a big push and do another marathon day just so I could have lunch at McDonald's tomorrow. I'll walk up through the drive-thru and get me a big old bag of McDoubles and some extra large fries. Still the desert. Dropped out of that snow the other day and right back into a frying pan. Water's definitely an issue for me out here. It's definitely getting warm. I still have plenty of water. I'm slowing my pace down a little bit, trying to conserve, not sweat as much. Here probably in the next hour to 2 hours, I'm probably gonna need to find a shady spot to hang out, take a nap. All right, so it's about 2 o'clock. I've got about 6.5 miles to my next water supply, but this is as far as I can make it right now. I've been walking basically since 1 o'clock this morning. So I've walked over 12 hours at this point. 6.5 more miles puts me at 30 miles for the day. Puts McDonald's fries at 15 miles tomorrow. So if I leave sometime around 6 in the morning, I'll be there just in time to have me, oh, I don't know, probably 6 McDoubles and 2 large fries and a strawberry milkshake. Oh yeah, I will be happy to indulge myself. "30 hard miles. There's hard days, there's brutal days, and then there's brutally hard days. Today was one of those brutally hard days. What do you think?"
Yeah.
But I know it doesn't look like much with the cow feces and the bugs swimming around in it, but we are very happy to have that water. Now, once again, we have Sawyer water filters. We can drink this without worrying about getting dysentery and different pathogens. They can't do that in Africa. They don't have them. So remember, if you got anything that you liked out of this content, go right down there below. Hit on that link for the Sonder project. Throw a couple dollars in. Make a difference in the world. All right, y'all. Well, that's it for today. We're wore out. What this does do, though, is it puts us in striking distance to have lunch at McDonald's tomorrow. Yay. That's gonna be my last climb before I get into Cuba. Sun's fading fast, but I'm hoping I have cell service up there. It's been a while since I've talked to my wife on the phone before I go to bed, and I'm looking forward to talking to my lovely wifey poo.